Your car feels slow. The RPM suddenly jumps. Maybe you hear a strange whining noise while driving. These could be early signs your CVT transmission is failing. Ignore them too long, and you could end up with a repair bill worth thousands. In today's video, we're covering the 5 biggest warning signs of CVT transmission failure, what causes them, and how to prevent complete transmission damage. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, a CVT or continuously variable transmission uses belts and pulleys instead of fixed gears. That design improves fuel economy and smooth acceleration. But when problems start, symptoms can appear very differently from normal transmissions. The first warning sign is delayed acceleration or slipping. You press the gas pedal. The engine revs up, but the vehicle barely moves forward. Sometimes it feels like the transmission can't transfer power properly. This usually happens because of worn CVT belt, low transmission fluid, internal pulley wear, valve body problems. If ignored, the slipping often gets worse very quickly. A healthy CVT should feel smooth and quiet, so if you hear whining, humming, or grinding noises while accelerating, don't ignore it. These noises often come from worn bearings, failing transmission pump, low CVT fluid, internal belt damage. Many drivers mistake this sound for tire or wheel bearing noise, but if the sound changes during acceleration, the transmission could be the real issue. Another common symptom is jerking or shuddering while driving. The car may vibrate during takeoff or feel rough at lower speeds. Some drivers describe it like driving over rumble strips. This usually happens when the CVT belt slips or fluid pressure becomes unstable. Dirty or incorrect transmission fluid is one of the biggest causes. CVT transmissions generate a lot of heat, and once overheating begins, damage can happen fast. Warning signs include burning smell, transmission temperature light, loss of power, weak acceleration in traffic. Common causes include old fluid, blocked coolers, and aggressive driving. Repeated overheating can permanently damage internal transmission components. The 5th major sign is the check engine light or transmission warning light. Modern CVTs are electronically controlled. Even small issues can trigger trouble codes related to pressure control, solenoids, speed sensors, overheating protection. Some vehicles even enter limp mode to protect the transmission from complete failure. Here are a few simple ways to extend CVT life. Change CVT fluid regularly. Use only manufacturer-approved fluid. Avoid hard launches. Don't overload the vehicle. Fix overheating issues early. Simple maintenance can dramatically increase transmission lifespan. If your vehicle shows any of these symptoms, don't wait until the transmission completely fails. Early diagnosis can save you thousands in repair costs. If this video helped you, subscribe to FixPro Garage for more DIY car repair videos and automotive tips. Thanks for watching.